DIY cardboard train, a fun craft for little engineers. Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to spark creativity and build something amazing with your little ones? Today, we're crafting our very own cardboard train, a fun hands-on activity perfect for kids and adults who want to create something special together. Whether you're a parent, grandparent, teacher, uncle, aunt, godparent, or friend, this DIY train is a fantastic way to bond with children while keeping them engaged in a creative project. Plus, it's a great way to reuse and recycle cardboard while having fun. So grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. What you'll need: cardboard boxes, small, medium, and large, scissors and craft knives, adult supervision recommended, non-toxic paint and paintbrushes, glue and tape, markers and decorative materials like stickers and fabric, string or shoelaces to connect train cars. Step 1. Building the engine. Start with the largest box for the train engine. Cut out a round hole at the front for the smokestack. Use a rolled-up piece of cardboard to create the smokestack and attach it with glue. Paint the engine in a bright color like red, blue, or green and let it dry. Step 2. Creating the train cars. Take medium-sized boxes to create train cars. Cut out windows on the sides and paint each car in vibrant colors. Want to add extra flair? Decorate them with stripes, polka dots, or even your child's name. Pro tip: attach each car to the engine using string or tape so they stay connected while your little engineers play. This ensures the train remains intact during imaginative playtime. Step 3. The caboose and final touches. For the caboose, use a slightly smaller box and give it a unique design. Add a roof or special decorations to make it stand out. Now for the final details. Cut out cardboard circles for wheels and attach them to each car. Use markers or paint to draw train tracks on paper or outside with chalk. Let the kids create stories about where the train is going and who's on board. Time to play. Now that your DIY cardboard train is complete, it's time to bring it to life. Organize a mini train parade around the house, set up a small village, or simply enjoy hours of imaginative play. Let's stay creative. We hope you had fun creating your very own cardboard train. If you enjoyed this craft, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY projects. We'd love to see your trains. Share your creations in the comments below or tag us on social media. Let's keep the creativity rolling.